Bob, we're going to do a survey this morning. I guess this is a pre-purchase survey?
Yes, it's a pre-purchase survey on a 2001 30-foot Tierra Pursuit. We're up in Salisbury, Mass. The boat obviously is on land. We're just going to concentrate on the on-land part of the survey today. We're going to inspect the hull, the running gear. We'll get the engines running. We'll do compression checks. This particular boat does have a generator. We'll run that and load it up with a 110 load as much as we can today. This is a pre-purchase survey, which is very similar to a home inspection. We're going to be checking all the equipment on board, everything that we can see without basically cutting holes and things. But fuel tanks, controls, steering, wiring, the mechanical issues, any accessories. We'll basically test everything that's on board today that we can. There will be certain items that we can't check because of water availability. Air conditioners, for instance, have to be run in the water. So we won't be able to test that today other than just a visual inspection. But we're going to start with the bottom, check the running gear, the props, the shafts, the rudders. We'll tap out the hull with a plastic hammer. If I do find an area that sounds suspect with my hammer, we'll scrape some paint off and use a moisture meter, which is a tool that sends an electrical signal across two pads, and the theory is that if there's water, the signal passes quicker because water conducts electricity so well. The bottom paint on this particular boat has a very high metal content, which screws up the readings on the moisture meter, so I can't use that without scraping the paint off. But we will use that on the hull sides, the decks, internal stringers, which is framing, and bulkheads, to check for moisture in those.
Okay. Well, where are we going to get started? Well,
I'm going to start on the bottom. I'm going to tap it out. I'll make some notes on the size of the propellers, the condition, any other equipment, through hulls, and then we'll work our way into the boat from there.